Hello and welcome back to my home. Today we are doing some more cleaning and decluttering. So last week I shared a messy to minimal episode, which if you haven't seen it, I highly recommend going back and checking it out, as I talked about the silent to-do list. And today we are cleaning and decluttering and tackling my own personal silent to-do list. So let's go ahead and jump right in. From paperwork and bills to the dirty dishes and items that need to be put away, to all of the drawers that are stuffed full and need to be decluttered. Everything in our home is sending us signals. Why haven't you put me away yet? When will you take me to the donation center? When are you going to wash, clean, dry, and put me away? Why haven't you made the bed yet? That, my friends, is the silent to-do list. Every single time you walk past something and have a thought about it, whether it's to put it away, donate it, I should be doing this, I should be doing that. That, my friends, is your silent to-do list, and it is so consuming. Truthfully, I reached a breaking point where my silent to-do list was just consuming me way too much that I started to ruthlessly declutter my house, and that is when I launched my Messy to Minimal series back in January. Now that we are 8 months into the journey, my decluttering sessions are very small, I would say, for the majority of my time. However, as I showed you guys last week, I did tackle my daughter's bedroom and our office, which turned into a dumping ground. So again, if you haven't seen that, go and check it out. But my point is that even though I am on this minimalist journey, doesn't mean that my house never gets dirty. I know even minimalists who own very, very little and a lot less than I do, their houses still get messy. The only difference is it is easier and quicker to tidy. So let's go ahead and tackle my silent to-do list. It's going to be totally random, but I just have a bunch of little things that I need to get done around the house. I hope you can put me up on whatever device and get some stuff done with me, whether you're cleaning, decluttering. I'm gonna play some motivational music and let's do this together, my friend. With that being said, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel as a small creator, and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. We are on our way to 5K and I am so excited for that milestone. So thanks so much for being here. Let's get into it. We are starting off this clean and declutter with me by tidying up the whole house and getting everything put back in their proper homes. My favorite part about simplifying our home has definitely been the time I've gotten back. It takes me way less time to manage our home, and I'm able to spend more time doing the things that our family loves, which if you follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen what that consists of. However, if you're not following me over there, feel free to do so. But in the summer months, our favorite things to do are going to the beach, the splash pad, the park, bike rides, scooter rides, camping, like all the things outdoor in nature, soaking up that sunshine. I do truly believe there is beauty in every season, and while I am starting to get ready for fall, I'm definitely holding on to summer. Where do you stand right now? Are you looking forward to fall or holding on to the summer? I see a lot of YouTubers already posting like their fall clean and decorates with me, and personally, I'm just not quite there yet. There are a few daily tasks that I like to get done when it comes to cleaning and maintaining a functional home. So let me know if you want to see a daily cleaning routine, and I can definitely show you what that entails. However, I do like to get that one load of laundry, so washed and dried about every 1 to 2 days, depending on how much swimwear and towels and stuff we have to do from the beach and swimming. And then I usually fold laundry 1 to 2 days a week. Let me know down below what your laundry routine looks like. While there's quite a few things that I do want to do here in our primary bedroom, I am trying not to rush into anything. Naturally, I would love to do a complete like master bedroom transformation makeover. Like I'm talking installing an accent wall, new furniture, like all the things. However, along my minimalist journey, I'm also learning to slow down and just be more intentional about like what I'm bringing into our home. On top of that, we are currently renting, so like I can't just start painting and installing accent walls. So right now I'm learning to just really enjoy every part of this journey and find out what I do truly like so that when we do reach the next season of our life, I know exactly what I want within our home. I've also been contemplating painting and stripping a lot of our furniture to kind of just freshen up the space. So we'll see what happens, but I hope that this message can encourage you to just show you that it's okay to have a normal home. And I don't know about you, but I would way rather live a block away from the beach and continue to create memories with our family than have a brand new massive house. The next step in decluttering our whole house is to create simple, functional, and organized, peaceful spaces. I've read through a book that helps create functional spaces, and so when I'm finished reading it, which I almost am, I plan to reread it and then implement the actionable steps to create the functional spaces in our home. So my question to you is, would you like me to share each room separately in a video along with like the tips, guidance, and actionable steps for you to put into your own home? Or would you prefer like 2 to 4 videos? I don't really know how long it would take me, of like the whole house as one as I navigate this next part of our minimalism journey. Let me know down below. If you are enjoying today's video, I would love if you gave it a thumbs up. It really helps me out as a small creator and just helps send this video to more people in the algorithm. So really appreciate you being here, taking some time out of your day and spending it with me. Don't forget to subscribe as well for more motivational content from cleaning, homemaking, decluttering, organization, and more. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.